Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying the maths videos. Okay, last time I had sent you the video of chapter number 5 factors, the introductory part. Today we will start with exercise 5a. Right, in that question number 1, please take your textbook and sit to do question number 1 and 2 because you have to do that question in the textbook only. Right, question number 1. These rectangles have been made using 32 squares, means A, B and C. These are all 32 squares. If you count this all, they are 32 squares. Okay. Find the factors of 32 with the help of these rectangles, and one has been done for you. Okay, first one is already done for you, and that is this one. What they have done? They have counted this. These are 8 squares. These are 4 squares. So factor will be 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. Okay, this one is done for you. Now we will do this too. Okay, this one if we count here, these are 16 squares and these are 2 squares. So we will write here 16, here we will write 2. And so the factors for this will be 2 multiplied by 16 is equal to 32. In this C, this one line is of total 32 squares if we count, right? So here it is 32, here it is 1. So the factor for this will be 32 multiplied by 1 is equal to 32, right? So finally the factors of 32 are 1, 4, 8, 16, 2, 32, right? Means 8, 4, 2, 16, 32, 1. Okay? So if we want to write the factors of 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. These are the factors of 32, right? Now question number 2. What are the different kinds of rectangles you can make with 24 stems? See here in first number they have given us 24 stems sticked in one line, right? Color the boxes below to show them. One has been done for you. Find the other 3. Like this way children, you have to do B, C and D in sequence only, but I have shown you like this way. Okay, so one is done for us. Second one we are doing here, that is number B. In that I have made the lines of 2 lines I have made of 12, 12, so 24. Okay, here it is 12, here it is 2, so 12 2s are 24. Same way number C if we do, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 3. So 3 and 8. So 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. Right? Like this, number D, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is 4, here it is 6. 4, 6 are 24. So finally, downside here, you will write 1 multiplied by 2, 24 is already given in A. In B, 2 multiplied by 12. In C, 3 multiplied by 8. In D, 4 multiplied by 6. And then downside, the factors of 24 are like that. In blank, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay. See, from here only I am explaining you. This is 1, here it is 1, 24s are 24. This is given. Okay. So 1, then 2 from here, 3 from here, 4 from here. Okay. 6, then 8, then 12 and then 24. So these are the factors of 24. Right?
Start.
Now question number 6. Use multiplication to find the factors of. And so here question number 3, number A 20. Okay, number A is 20. Here we will do multiplication method for finding the factors. Okay, so what we will do? First we will start with ones table. 1 20s are 20. 2 10s are 20. 3 stable 20 is not coming. If you see 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So we don't have to write 3. We don't have to count 3 stable. Now 4s are 4 5s are 20. Okay. Now see here already 5 came. After 4 5 stable we will take. 5 already came here, so we have to stop here. And then finally you will write factors of 20 are 1 2 4 5 10 and 20. 1 2 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, right? This way you have to do multiplication method of finding the factors. Children, if you don't know how to, see, I know that 2 tens are 20. If you don't know what you have to do to find that, in rough you have to divide this number. 20 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 minus 0. 0 will go down and up. So 10 will come as 2 tens are 20. Like that you can find out from rough also. Okay, by doing rough work also. Okay. Now it is 16. 1 16s are 16. Fine. 2 8s are 16. In 3's table 16 is not coming because 3 5s are 15. So 16 will not come in 3's table. 4 4s are 16. Right. So here already 4 came. So we have to stop here and then you will write here factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. See children, I have not written here 4 for 2 times. In answer you will write only 1 time 4. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. These are the factors of 16. Okay. Understood this method? The other sums you have to do from the written part. Okay. Now we will continue with question number 4. Use division to find the factors of. Okay. In that number A. Now here we have done multiplication method. Here we will start with division method. Okay. Before starting the division method, one more thing I want to tell you is, when we are starting in multiplication method, whether it is a multiplication method or a division method, always start with ones table. Okay, always start with ones table. So here I will write here 15 divided by 1 is equal to 15. Now 15 divided by 2 is not possible because in 2's table 15 is not coming. Okay, so we remainder will remain there. If you want, you can try in rough. 15 2 7s are 14 minus karo, 1 will come as a remainder. Wherever the remainder is remaining, so that will not come here. So it is not possible. So now we will write 15 divided by 3. We know that 3 5s are 15. Okay. So we have to do like this. Then now 4's table. 4 4s are 16. So 15 is not coming in 4's table also. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Okay. And then 15 divided by 15 is equal to 1. See how you will come to know that where you have to stop or how directly 15 I have written. See here where you can stop is 15 divided by 1 is equal to 15. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 5 already came here, right? And in 4's table 15 is not coming. So if you don't want to write these 2 steps, the last 2 steps, it's fine. No need to write this. Okay. Then what are your factors of this 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. No need to write these 2 steps. Directly you can do like this also. Okay. So here what you will write in factors? Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. And if you write these steps, then also it's fine, doesn't matter. But if you don't write, that is also okay. Okay. Now next is number 81. Okay. 81 divided by 1 is equal to 81. 81 divided by 2 is not possible because in 2's table 81 is not coming. If you want, you can do in rough. 81 divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, minus karo 0 and 1 will come down. Here if you keep 0, then also it will remain 1 because nothing is there backside. Okay. So this is not possible. So we will not do 2's. 3's is possible. If you want, you can do 81 divided by 3. 3 2's are 6 minus 8 minus 6 2 and 1 will come down. 3 7's are 21 minus karo 0 0. So 3 answer will come 27, right? 3 27's are 81 or 81 divided by 3 27 you will get. Again for 4's also it will not come because 4 10's are 40, same way 4 20's are what will come 80. Here nothing can be done in 4 also. In 5 also it is not possible. 6 also it is not possible. 7 also it is not possible. Directly it will be possible in 9. 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. 9 9's are 81, right? So here we have to stop. Now what you will do? We will write the factors of 81 are 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. Okay. These are the factors of, see here also 2, 9 are there. but I have written in answer only 1 9. You don't have to repeat the same number for twice. Okay. So the factors of 81 is 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. This is the method to do division method to find the factors. Okay. Now we'll continue with question number 5. Question number 5, say whether the following are true or false. Okay, in that number A, 5 is a factor of 15. That is true. How you will come to know? Or whenever factor is coming, you have to speak in such way in your mind. 5 is a question of 15 stable. Yes, 5 3s are 15, right? Yeah. Means factor you have to remember in such a way that table's question is called factor and table's answer is called multiple, but multi-product. Okay. So 5 is a factor of 15. That is true. Number B, 6 is a factor of 9. It is false. Why? Because 6 is not coming in 9's table also, or 9 is also not coming in 6 table, right? So that is false. Number C, 0 is factor of 4. 0 is not factor of any because 0 is never coming in any of the table, right? Then D, 1 is a factor of every number. That is true. 1 is factor of every number. In points to remember, I have explained you that 1 is always a factor of every number, right? See, number E, every number is factor of itself. That is also true. I have not written here, but it is also true, because every number is a factor of itself. That is the greatest factor of itself. This also in points to remember we have done. Then number F, every number has only 2 factors. Every number has only 2 factors. That is false statement. Why? If it is given every number has minimum 2 factors, then it is correct. But here only 2 factor is not correct, because just now only in question number 3 and 4 we have done. So many factors are there of 20 also, so many factors are there. Okay, so means any sum you take, this is false statement. Okay, now we will continue with question number 6, that is application in real life.